Verifying your Skidmo account is an important step. Verification upgrades your account from a basic Skidmo account to a vendor's account, which allows you to list properties on Skidmo. Before you begin, make sure you have everything ready. You need a valid identity document. This can be your NRC, passport, or driver's license. You will also need a proof of address document such as a bank statement, utility bill, or tipping certificate. Make sure all your personal details are available and correct. Once you have everything ready, navigate to your profile and click on List Property. Since your account is not yet verified, you will receive a prompt to verify your account. Click on Proceed to continue. Fill in all the required details, including your full name, date of birth, NRC number, and address information. Under User Type, select whether you are a property owner or a real estate agent. If you are a real estate agent, you will be required to enter the ZIA agent ID. In this video, we will be going with property owner. After completing the form, upload your identity document and proof of address. Then, take a clear selfie while holding the identity document you just submitted. Finally, review all your details to ensure everything is correct and submit your account for verification. And that's it. That's how to verify your Skidmo account step by step.